Hello, everybody, and welcome to Coach Prince's Social Studies class. I hope you had a fantastic break, and I'm looking forward to moving through this virtual class with you guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or message me on Google Classroom. I'll answer those as quick as I can. Before we get into today's lesson, just know that at the end of every lesson, there will be a ticket out the door that is pertaining to what we cover in that day's lesson. Today we're going to move into European geography. We're going to start by looking at our standard. Our standard is locate selected features of Europe. We're going to be able to locate features and land masses on a map. We're going to focus on subsection A and B later. In the beginning, we're going to really focus on a bigger perspective on a world map. We're going to be able to locate continents and oceans before we move into the smaller parts like the countries and those different land masses like the rivers and the mountain ranges. Here's a list of our continents and our oceans. At the end of today's lesson, for your ticket out the door, I've listed it in Google Classroom. There is a timed Google form for you to fill out. You're going to be responsible for listing 3 continents and 3 oceans in 5 minutes. That shouldn't be very difficult. Again, if you have any questions or something goes wrong with that document, please feel free to reach out to me and I'll do the best I can to get it corrected. This is a physical world map. A physical world map is basically, if you have ever seen a globe, it's a sphere. If you were to just kind of peel the skin off of the back of that sphere and lay it flat, this is what the globe would look like if you laid it flat. It gives us all of our continents and it gives us all of our oceans. I'm going to give you guys a couple of minutes to write down as many continents and as many oceans as you can. Remember that the continents are the land masses and the oceans are the bodies of water that surround those land masses. So take a couple minutes, write as many as you can down, and then when we come back, I'm going to go over these with you. All right, let's see how you did. Number 1 is Africa. Number 2, Antarctica. Number 3 is Asia. Number 4 is Australia. Number 5 is Europe. Number 6 is North America. And number 7 is South Africa. Now we're going to move into the bodies of water here, our oceans. Number 8 is Antarctica. Number 9 is the Atlantic Ocean. Number 10 is the Indian Ocean. And number 11 is the Pacific Ocean. Now when we're labeling these guys, remember that we live in North America. That should be an easy one. And then right below us is South America. There's two easy ones for you, okay? Now, the Atlantic and the Arctic Ocean, those both start with A. Those should be 2 more for you. And we're going to be focusing on Europe. So that's going to be the 3rd one that you can write down. Now, pick the Indian or the Pacific Ocean, and there's your 3. Remember that at the end of today's lesson, you're going to have to fill out that Google form as your ticket out the door. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, email me, message me on Google Docs, not Docs, I apologize, on Google Classroom. And I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.